Goans in the US with expired passports. Fear and anxiety among Goans in USA, especially Texas and other areas where Indian passports are expired, cannot travel. The Indian consulate in Houston is not allowing Goans to travel on the travel documents, despite and making the process complicated, and too many documents to prove one's nationality despite showing expired passport. The action the government of Goa intends to take, or rather talk to the central government, MEA, to intervene and give immediate relaxation and provide fast travel document to Goans, and they can come peacefully without any hardships. Because only one point I want to make. Jenna tu think Rauta, you are illegal there. Passport expire zali. Police clearance harpa gela kana tak without itle. So they have to be given. We have done 2-3 cases. We have managed Chief Minister Kaule and 2 cases and intervene kon. Dog jan alde. Directions may be given, especially Chief Minister Guroini or Amka Zotor ek anchor meta request kuru meta MEA to allow them to travel. Tenge Zotor kitne police clearance ha, kitne case ha zale tenka American airport aje teng dotle. Na zale India kitne Zotor issue ha zale Indian airport aje dotle.
You give me in writing.
I have.
Yes. तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.